Okay, so recently I decided to write up a article on my website about a microcontroller device that I have experience with. I framed it in the context of building your own privacy-oriented communication device. This device is the Lilygo TSim7600G. My experience with this was developing an IoT device that would have sensors and it would send it to the company's infrastructure using the integrated GSM LTE modem along with GPS. Um, the GPS didn't really have too much in the ways of correction data, so you could use the SIM modem or the GSM 4G modem to add that correction data as you would kind of with the LoRaWAN stuff. Um, but yeah, so this thing is basically a mobile phone in a very small package, kind of. It's very thick because you've got to use an 18650 cell to power it, which is nominal 3.7 volts, maximum 4.2 volts. But if you're familiar with C++, Arduino, it uses an ESP32 microcontroller to communicate with the modem. So you can send commands to the modem using AT commands, and you can send SMS. If you get one with audio, you can also make phone calls. But yeah, this device is mostly centered around Internet of Things devices, which is my experience with it. But you can actually make it into a private messaging device. You probably need to get two of them and two SIM cards, but it's possible. You can create your own end-to-end encryption communications. You can make your own encrypted phone calls using just the basic network that it has access to. MicroPython, I can't guarantee will work on it because I've only ever used Arduino and C++. It might work because there are MicroPython implementations for the ESP32. It has a power control chip. I think it's an IP5310. Don't quote me on that. All the specs are actually on the sale page. My experience is with the TSim7600G, not the E variant, but it's the same sort of thing. It just dictates what frequencies it runs on. So if you're in Australia, you need to pay attention to what frequencies are legal for the 4G spectrum. The -H generally means it comes with header pins. Generally. But yeah, it's about $100. A cheap phone is about $100. It comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It comes with GPS. It comes with a 4G modem. If you get the audio one, you can also transmit audio and receive audio, so you can make phone calls. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're interested in that, you can go through this, have a look at some of the ideas that you can come up with. Their repository has a lot of information regarding the development for this device. A lot of example files that you can run on it. But yeah, this is a really neat little microcontroller project if you want to work on it. It's very good if you want to do IoT stuff. If you want a mini phone or private communication device, it will work. It's not going to be like a smartphone. You can eventually, make it into that sort of thing, but it's not going to be the most powerful thing in the world. You probably just want to use it for communications only. It's not going to be, a gaming device or anything like that. But yeah, so if you want to get your hands on one of those, you can visit this site. I've got links to it, or you can just search Lilygo TSim7600 on AliExpress, and you'll find a bunch of stuff. All these prices are in Australian dollars, but as you know, when you're purchasing stuff that's in USD, the listed Australian dollar price isn't going to be the one that's listed, and then you've got taxes, and then the shipping. So just pay attention to that when you're having a look at it. And yeah, thanks for watching, coppers. Keep making things.